Good morning or good afternoon, wherever you may be, or good evening or good night. This is Jen at JensArtyInclinations, a place to create, share and play.
Hello everyone. This is a really quick one today. I wanted to share with you this gorgeous new whaletail punch that I picked up. Now I picked it up over at Whichcraft Do You Do. I believe they're out of stock at the moment. And I love how it clips closed. I love things like that because they're so much easier to store. But yeah, this is, my new favourite tool. So I thought I would do a really quick one just to show you how it works. So I fold my little book pages in half and a punch. How easy is that? And that gives me my little whaletail punches. And in a moment, I'll show you how I decorate them. So I found that I got, 3 or 4 out of this one book page, and then I can still use the edges. So I really, really love the shape of these. I find some of the whaletail punches, I haven't picked them up because the bottom is a little bit too circular for me, whereas this feels just perfect for a file tab with that nice whaletail shape and finish. So there you go. All I did was int around the edges, and I did that on all 4. So that to me just helped them stand out. It's just what I like to do, but of course, none of this is necessary. There you go, all done. So, it's all completely optional, all up to your personal choice, all good. So I had now my little whaletails, and then I thought I would just make them super simple so that they could just sit in my stash and I could grab them anytime. So I had these little butterfly stamps. Now, they were really cool. They've got a little die cut that matches the same shape, so I didn't even need to cut them out. So I popped them on each side. How cute are they? And then I had these little keys that I also die cut out. And what else did I have? Oh, yeah, a bigger butterfly. So I thought half over on him. That's pretty cute. And then the last one I did on just one side. There we go. So you can see him on both sides. And I just, inch that edge a little bit just to fix it up. And then the last one, I just did a little lock just on one side. So there you go. How quick is that? And then you've got stuff that you can just grab out of your stash. I find sometimes when I put words on them that the words won't actually go with the theme that I'm using. Whereas, I figure keys and butterflies, they go with any journal, right? And this is how they look on the page. So there's each of them. Little butterflies. Each of them. The key, the butterfly, the lock, and the larger butterfly. Hope you enjoyed. And yeah, get out your whale punch or your tab punch or cut out some little punches yourself and just have a play.
I'd love it if you could leave me a comment below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed what you saw today. And of course, please subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you next time. And in the meantime, keep creating. Enjoy!